You see what I mean?
You got him there?
Uh-huh.
That's awesome.
This from Who the Tricks
The thing you
Can Think by Dr. Seuss.
Dude, that's such an amazing gift.
Yeah. And you know which one it is right here? This one. The second one.
What do you say?
Thank you. You're welcome.
So what are you gonna do? When you say thank you, what do you do?
What do you do? Do what? Right.
You're so nice. A Kit Kat? More candy?
This is an asshole. Look at all this confetti.
Nice. Thank you for that.
Look at confetti.
Cool. Good job, Riley. That was a very nice present.
Uh-huh.